Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do a we're gonna scrap it. I found it in the street. So the first thing is you're gonna take this off if I can. Alrighty, well, I'm not gonna take that off first. What I'm going to take off first is all the screws they have. So we'll get started. It's mostly plastic, but it has a little motor. That's what we're going to aim for. Plus it has all this wire. Lots of copper in there. It has this, maybe I can say for my other vacuum that I have already. We put this to the side. The screws, I always throw them on the ground. Then later on I'll pick them up with a magnet. Pretty hot outside, but I'm in the shade right now, so it's all good. It's all dirty. See? And it has another screw right here. This piece seems that it's plastic. So all this is plastic, this is junk. One more screw. Always have all your tools handy, just in case if you need another tool, you can get it. There you go. Easy does it. All this plastic, throw it with your plastic bin. So we are left with this, and we're almost done. Also it's plastic. Just keep looking to see where all the screws are. In this case, you have more screws right here. They just hidden. Okay. Let's continue. Another thing is never take stuff like this inside and disassemble it. You can have germs or whatnot. Always do outside. Always look for hidden screws so the unit can come apart easily. It has some on top. All this is plastic. Has a little bit of steel at the bottom. A couple screws. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. See, not much. It has more screws in there. I think I'm just gonna leave this like this. Throw with the plastic. All this is plastic. Throw with the plastic. And the only thing that we going for is this little motor. The rest is plastic too. It depends on the size of the vacuum. Sometimes they have small motors or big motors. Depends on the brand too. So right here, we're gonna check if it's aluminum or copper. So let's do that real quick. Like I always said, have your tools handy, ready to, so you can do your job faster. Okay. You always check to see if it's copper or aluminum. In this case, I got lucky. It's copper color. If it's silverish, then it's gonna be aluminum. Okay, I cut off the wire already. Here's the motor. Just a little bit of aluminum, and that's the wire. I'm just gonna throw that with my motor pile. That's copper. This is Jerry. Thanks for watching. That was a little vacuum. Hope you enjoyed this video and watch my other videos too. Please subscribe.